Quanzhou Taiwan Machinery Company Limited is driven by the industrial economy. It's a collection of scientific research and development, manufacturing, technical services, technical consulting as one of the disposal maternal and child health products equipment professional manufacturers. In recent years, vigorously promote industrial upgrading, has established close cooperation with a number of international and domestic manufacturing brands, and products are widely sold throughout the country and Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and the United States, and other foreign markets. The company is located in Quanzhou Taiwan Investment Zone, known as the new center of Quanzhou City, with more than 10,000 square meters of new modern standard factory buildings. The company has independent design, production, manufacturing capabilities, a large design team, can be customized. A variety of large-scale production lines are The company has a number of authoritative patents for diverse various industries customers, personalized design and manufacturing product production line escort to provide customers with excellent, high-speed complete production lines, while producing customers with training, guidance, and long-term technical support and services. The company can provide personalized design and manufacturing according to customer requirements, easy operation and maintenance, modular design of the production line, which allows technical institutions to upgrade low energy consumption, high efficiency production, automatic recording and calculation of production data, and automatic cutting and receiving of main raw materials at full speed, automatic tension control, automatic web guidance, automatic quality detection with sensing device, automatic stop of raw materials, automatic detection of missing materials, automatic rejection of waste materials. Taiwan Machinery has always been adhering to integrity, innovation, responsibility, win-win as the leadership core. Always adhere to the sincerity for cooperation, quality for win-win business philosophy. We will take the top of the world's leading health products and equipment manufacturer as our goal and forge ahead.